Is it pizza?
Yes, I love pizza bad. I one of my top 3 favorite things.
I love pizza. I learned thanks to the folks at Betty Crocker. Big up Betty Crocker. They have a pizza dough that I don't need to go into heavy flour and mix dough. I just add this Betty Crocker straight in here. And then I add a half cup of warm water straight to that there Sackie. And I just mix this in.
Easy like that.
And this is a pizza dough I am creating here to create my pizza for you. I'm going to tell you what kind of pizza I'm going to do. But I just really so happy that Betty Crocker made this pizza crust. That you don't have to fuss up yourself too much. Get my board sprinkled with some flour. And I get that dough there. Pizza dough, you know?
Easy. Maybe 2 minutes past it and they're nearly done already. That's the Betty Crocker effect?
That is the Betty Crocker effect. Pick up Betty. I don't do nothing without Betty, you know. And you roll that out there. Nice little mini pizza now, boy.
Right. How are we doing today?
I'm doing meatless today. Alright, God, don't look so disappointed. Don't look so disappointed. It's saltfish, boy.
Well, saltfish is my favorite.
See what I mean? So you don't need meat, you don't need pepperoni. So saltfish, I'm doing a saltfish and I have a little surprise to add to the saltfish. Check my ingredients. I have a simple tomato sauce that I just want to start with here. And you spread. Very simple. You cook Sackie at all?
Mac and cheese.
Nothing wrong with that, you know. Nothing wrong with that. But some simple recipes that you could try, you wouldn't believe. Start with your base of tomato sauce. Right? From that tomato sauce now, I have a mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Nice sprinkle. And I want to just take a spoon. I just soak the saltfish good in some water. Soak it good. And I want to just sprinkle some saltfish all around. It's like building salt. When you're actually making saltfish, you know, you have saltfish, onions, tomatoes, right? So I'm adding tomatoes to it as well. Just a little sprinkle. Nice color as well. Yeah. So I sauteed some ochros. Real simple. Just in a little bit of oil. And I just give it a nice little pre-cook, saute it up a little bit, and I'm adding ochros to my saltfish. Just because I can. Yeah. And ochros I think will go really good with the flavor of the saltfish. Right? In the oven, baking about 12 to 15 minutes. That's all. 12 to 15 minutes in the oven. So we're just about ready. Just about 15 minutes in. And Sackie, all I want to do now is really just get this back out on my board. Slide them out there like that. Saltfish, ochros, tomatoes on a pizza. Not bad at all. Normally eat saltfish and bake. Thanks to Betty Crocker, we putting it on a pizza.
Hot off the press?
Hot off the press.
Trouble.
That's goodness. Goodness.
Thank you, man.
Sample up.
Yeah, man. But this is my first time trying okra and saltfish.
On a pizza. Nice. Yeah. Things you wouldn't think about, eh?
A surprise.
Yeah. Take a next bite. While he take a next bite, we take a break and we come right back. We have Sackie the Artiste.